Hello, you are watching Kênh News and now today's headlines. The delegation of Cần Thơ City officials paid a working visit to leaders of Thủ Đức City, Hồ Chí Minh City. According to information from the Ministry of Health, Vietnam has recorded the first case of influenza A H9 in Tiền Giang province. Top news. The delegation of Cần Thơ City officials led by Comrade Nguyễn Văn Hiếu, alternate member of the Party Central Committee and Secretary of Cần Thơ City Party Committee, paid a working visit to leaders of Thủ Đức City, Hồ Chí Minh City.
The delegation exchanged information about the socio-economic situation 3 years after the establishment of Thủ Đức City, associated with specific mechanisms and policies for Thủ Đức. Accordingly, in recent times, the technical and social infrastructure system in Thủ Đức City has been invested with a total public investment capital of Ho Chi Minh City's concentrated capital of 102,323 billion Vietnamese đồng, with 118 projects. In particular, stronger decentralization and authorization and expanded authority for Thủ Đức City government are important leverages that open up for Thủ Đức City more autonomy in management, operation, and is an important legal basis for Thủ Đức City to organize and carry out tasks according to the urban government model, gradually creating motivation for innovation in Thủ Đức City in the short and long term. The city has implemented a project to build smart areas and strong digital transformation, improve effectiveness, efficiency of management, and quality of service to people and businesses. The two sides discussed and share about building the organizational structure and operating mechanism for the government system, parties, and unions of Thủ Đức City since the city's establishment until now. Secretary of Cần Thơ City Party Committee affirmed the experiences in planning and socio-economic development of Thủ Đức City and Ho Chi Minh City. Cần Thơ will research and apply it in the future.
The Ministry of Construction is drafting a circular guiding the training framework program and fostering knowledge to practice real estate brokerage and operate real estate stream. The draft circular regulates the framework program for training and fostering knowledge to practice real estate brokerage and operate real estate stream as prescribed in Clause number 3, Article number 69 of the Law on Real Estate Business number 29, 2023, QH 15. According to the draft, the framework program for training and fostering knowledge to practice real estate brokerage includes knowledge of real estate business and professional knowledge of real estate brokerage. According to information from the Ministry of Health, Vietnam has recorded the first case of influenza A H9 in Tiền Giang province. Previously, in March 2024, in Khánh Hòa, one death due to influenza A H5N1 in human was recorded.
The patient is a man, 37 years old, residing in Tân Lý Đông Commune, Châu Thành District, Tiền Giang Province. On March 10, the patient showed symptoms of fever and self-dedicated, but did not take it regularly. The patient came for examination and treatment at the Hospital for Tropical Diseases in Ho Chi Minh City on March 16 and was diagnosed with severe pneumonia suspected to be caused by a virus. Initial test results at the Hospital for Tropical Diseases detected positive for influenza A and had gene segments similar to influenza A virus subtype H9. The specimen was sent to the Pasteur Institute in Ho Chi Minh City for confirmation testing. According to the results of the epidemiological investigation, the patient's place of residence is located in a poultry market, and there is also a poultry market in front of his house. There have been no reports of sick or dead poultry around the area where the patient's family lives. Cases in close contact with patients are listed and the health is monitored. Up to now, no symptoms of respiratory infection have been detected, and no outbreak of respiratory infections have been recorded in the community where the patient is residing.
Within the framework of Death of Soldiers and People activities to celebrate 29th May, Omong District General Hospital coordinated with the District Medical Center to organize free medical examinations and medicine distribution for Khmer ethnic people in traveling ward. Doctors and nurses examined and gave health advice on cardiovascular disease, high blood pressure, and some disease commonly found in the elderly, and gave free medicine to 150 women and men have disadvantaged cases. The total budget for this series of activities is more than 40 million dong. Cần Thơ City People's Committee is the plan number 74 on launching demolition, implementing the control of administrative procedures, implementing the one-door stop, connecting one-door mechanism, implementing administrative procedures in e-government environment in 2024.
During this year's emulation, the chairman of the City People's Committee will consider awarding certificates of merit to 10 collectives and 10 individuals with outstanding achievements in advising and implementing the criteria and resolution number 2 of the government on main tasks and solutions to improve the business environment and enhance national competitiveness in 2024 in terms of improving the quality of service for people and businesses in implementing administrative procedures and public services. The City People's Committee Office is responsible for reviewing and selecting the typical collectives with worthy achievements in the emulation movement to request rewards by regulations.
On the evening of April 6, Cần Thơ University held a music show and a meeting for the 29th May Festival for students. At the music exchange night, delegates and students reviewed the origin and meaning of the traditional 29th May festival. This is also an opportunity for students to express their deep gratitude to the party, the state, authorities at all levels, agencies and units inside and outside the university, Khmer as students, and especially the party committee and directorate. Currently, the number of anti-Khmer students accounts for about 4% of the total students at Cần Thơ University. Last school year, over 76% of ethnic students achieved good results.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Mekong Delta, with its favorable conditions for tourism, has not developed as anticipated due to challenging restrictions on creating and expanding tours, routes, and specific tourism routes. To collaborate in promoting its benefits and tourism potential, the Economic and Urban newspaper recently organized a conference on the subject in partnership with the Mekong Delta Tourism Association and the Department of Culture, Sport and Tourism.
According to the organizing committee, the topic of the conference has both theoretical and practical significance, with implications for the smokeless industry of the Mekong Delta. At the conference, a diverse group of experts, scientists, managers, and individuals involved in the tourism industry shared their opinions on the current state of tourism activities in the region. They analyzed the benefits, potential, opportunities, and challenges facing the travel industry. The experts emphasized the importance of establishing a connection between tourism locations to ensure experiences for specific Mekong Delta tourism offerings are effective and enhanced.
To improve visitor experiences and encourage longer stays, we need to innovate our product line. Additionally, arrange for flights to and from Cần Thơ.
When developing agricultural tourism, it is important to consider the human resource concerns of farmers who have limited ability to engage in this type of tourism. To operate, manage, and develop tourism in the Mekong Delta region, it is necessary to establish a coordinating committee. While regulations have been recently approved by Ho Chi Minh City and other Mekong Delta provinces, I believe that the effectiveness and efficiencies of these efforts will be enhanced if a coordinating committee is established. The conference also reaffirmed the press role in developing brands, constructing routes and tours, and promoting products in the Mekong Delta. To enhance tourism information, effective communication and promotion are essential. Press agencies can play a vital role in this regard by visiting and gathering additional information on different tourist spots. This can further help in creating specialized routes, web pages, and even television programs to improve the substance of tourism information. On this occasion, the Mekong Delta Tourism Association also approved 3 new standards tourist sites in the Mekong Delta for 2024. The Khmer Ethnic Cultural Museum in Javan Province, Mae Tho Cruise Port in Tiền Giang Province, and an ecotourism site centered on the whole islet community. At the same time, recognize Đức Dịp Hill in An Giang Province as a typical Delta-level tourism site.
And now a quick check on weather condition. Thank you very much for your attention. Please visit us on website kenthtv.vn. Bye for now.